The Asian shipping market is going through the strategic transformation where most of our customers are looking at future-proofing their supply chains, future-proofing from the volatility and future-proofing from the geopolitical instability which continues to plague the industry. In terms of transformation, there are three key shifts we are seeing. The first shift is where we see clear diversification of sourcing away from China to the emerging markets, notably to countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines and Indonesia. As a consequence, we are seeing strong volume growth on intra-Asia market, which by the way is the largest market in the world, which moves 1 out of every 4 containers globally. The second key shift we are seeing is where the Chinese customers are actually relocating their factories and strengthening their manufacturing footprint in the key global markets, particularly in Central and Eastern Europe, but also in Latin America. The third key shift we are seeing is where the Asian customers are moving up the value chain into high-tech and electronics, and this also means that they require a lot more sophisticated and integrated logistics solutions. All these trends, where they really converge, is the fact that customers are looking for two things. The first is they're looking for global reach for the business as they're entering and expanding into new and emerging markets. And the second thing is that they're looking for a trusted logistics partner who they can rely on so they can actually focus on their core business, which in most cases is actually growing exponentially.